We're going to explore Gustav Klimt's most iconic painting, The Kiss. Before looking at the painting, let's first introduce some personal and historical context of the artist. Klimt was an influential artist in the early 20th century. He is the founder of the progressive Vienna secession art movement. Klimt was known as progressive because he painted many female figures in his paintings. The religious Western audiences at the time found the paintings being overtly sexual. Some even referred to his paintings as pornographies. Moreover, Klimt is also part of the Art Nouveau movement, which is the art movement that invented the decorative art style, famous for its two-dimensional forms and the use of patterns. Now, let's look at a painting. The Kiss has a relatively large scale. The viewers will look at the painting from a distance before dwelling onto the details. The painting is 180 x 180 centimeters, making its human figures closer in size to real humans, bringing scenic realism to the viewers. Moreover, the square-shaped canvas underlies a sense of unity since the sides are perfectly balanced. The Kiss is a very typical painting of Klimt's gold period, influenced by Klimt's father being a gold engraver. The media of the painting is a mix of oil paint and gold leaf. The texture of the painting is very flat. The viewers cannot see any brushstrokes. Unlike the perspectives emphasizing traditional Western paintings, the form of the painting is two-dimensional, almost like a snapshot that documents a kiss internally. The color scheme is predominantly browns and golden. It's not entirely monochromatic, but the colors are limited. This is partly due to how Klimt was influenced by Byzantine mosaics art form, renowned for its limited color schemes. Composition-wise, the focal point of the painting is on the faces, where the kiss occurs. The overall composition is in a reversed out shape. The movement of the eyes would always be led to the focal point. The painting is almost symmetrical. However, the balance is disrupted by the cliff at the bottom, since the lovers are literally at the edge of falling. Then, let's take a closer look at the two figures. Their distance is so close that they bind into one. However, the man is a dominant figure. The outline of the man's body engulfs the woman's as if he is forcing her into his embrace. Another detail is that the woman's leg is right beside the edge of falling, which underlines that the woman is in a more dangerous situation than the man. The tension between the two genders and the idea of gender stereotypes are enlarged when looking at the details of the painting, including the shapes, patterns, and repetitions. In this painting, the man's body was decorated with rectangular shapes, while the woman's body was decorated with circular shapes. The rectangular shapes of the man are associated with the idea of toughness and strength, while circular woman's shapes are associated with the idea of being soft and sensual. Repetition of the shapes creates rhythms in the painting, yet it also emphasizes on the gender stereotypes, which may or may not illustrate the real gender expectations at the time.